Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact drivers and enclosure volume you need, then cut the panels. Measure twice, mark once. Accuracy matters for acoustic tuning. Once done, route driver and terminal holes, label each panel so assembly stays organized. Make the internal bracing pieces now and pre-fit them dry. This saves rework. While you cut, sort crossover components into groups and pre-tin wire ends. You'll save hours later by prepping everything before glue goes on. You now glue the cabinet, applying adhesive along joints and clamping firmly. Make sure seams are airtight to avoid port noise. Once cured, install bracing and damping material. Use 10–20% internal fill to reduce standing waves without overdamping. Meanwhile, assemble the crossover. Solder components cleanly, keep lead lengths short, and verify impedance and crossover points with a multimeter. Make sure driver polarity matches crossover outputs so phase is correct. After mounting drivers, reseal edges and inspect fit again. You complete the build by tuning the enclosure. Use a measurement microphone and sweep tones to verify low-frequency response, then fine-tune port length or add damping to smooth peaks. Make cosmetic finishes and fit terminal cups, ensuring airtight seals around connectors. Position speakers on isolation pads and perform listening tests with reference tracks to confirm neutrality. If you hear rattles or unexpected response, recheck panel seals, driver mounting torque, and crossover solder joints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.